Hey, Joey here at Ready Power, here to show you how to set up your 1450 PSI electric pressure washer quick and easy. Here's what you'll need: utility knife, 10mm socket, 10mm combination wrench, safety goggles, a water hose, and a water supply. Now that you have everything you need, let's get started. All right, so let's get this box open. We're gonna take our utility knife, gonna eject the blade. We're gonna cut the straps off. Remember to use the blade and cut away from yourself. Now that you have your box open, this is what should be inside. You should have your spray gun and your lance, the nozzles on this really convenient clip, the feet that should attach to the bottom of the machine, the bolts to go with it, oil vent, a siphon tube, and your high pressure hose. The first step is gonna be attaching the feet. So we're gonna take the machine and we're gonna put it on its side. So we expose the bottom. You're gonna need your 10mm socket and your 10mm combination wrench. We're gonna start by taking one of our rubber feet and you're gonna take the bolt and the fender washer, which is the larger washer. And you're gonna place it in this large hole on the large end of the foot so that the screw sticks out like this. Then we're gonna slide it in the hole. You're gonna take your flat washer, which is the smaller washer. You're gonna slide it over the bolt. Take your split lock washer and slide it over the bolt as well. Then you have an acorn nut. We're gonna put that in and tighten with our fingers just to get it on. Now we're gonna take our socket and our wrench and we're gonna tighten it up. Make sure to not over tighten it. Now you're gonna remove the red shipping plug and replace it with the yellow vented oil plug. Next step is to plug your water hose into a water supply. Make sure you run the water through the hose for at least 10 seconds to make sure there's no debris. Then we're gonna take the hose, plug it into our pressure washer. Now that we have our water supply connected, we're gonna go ahead and connect our high pressure hose. But before you do so, be sure to check the O-ring to make sure that there are no cracks. So it connects right here at the front of the machine. You're gonna wanna make sure it's on really tight. Now we're gonna take the other end and connect it to the bottom of our spray gun. Make sure it's on nice and tight. Last, we're gonna connect the lance to the end of the spray gun. So now we're gonna take one of our nozzles and place it on the end of our lance. So we're gonna take the nozzle, we're gonna put it at the end of the quick connect, snap it into place. Now to remove the nozzle, you take the collar and you pull it towards the gun, just like that. While the machine's off, go ahead and turn your water supply on and hold down the trigger to the spray gun. This is gonna purge any air out of the system. After you've done all that, go ahead and take your power supply and plug in your GFCI cable. You're gonna wanna hit your test button and release, and then hit your reset button and release. The green light should come on, and you're good to go. Now that you have your water supply on, you're gonna take your spray gun, you're gonna hold down the trigger, and you're just gonna press the on switch. And that should do it. Now don't forget, always wear your safety goggles when operating this machine. To adjust the pressure on your pressure washer, use this red knob right here. You're gonna turn it right to increase the pressure, turn it left to decrease. If you wanna use soap, use the siphon tube that's provided. You're gonna attach this end of the tube onto this nozzle right here, located at the top of the pump. And then you're gonna put this nozzle in order to spray soap. You're all set to use your 1450 PSI electric pressure washer. Thanks for watching, and remember, be ready with Ready Power. Don't forget to check out more products just like this one at red-e-power.com.